Hey, what's up, team? My name's Corey. Danny told me to send over this screencast, everybody. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 quick tips on how to actually get more quality traffic to your website. This is all organically, by the way, not running any of those ads either. So the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Just looking over your website, really being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, Google loves words. So bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, all these images, what they're saved as. This is all content back here. You got video thumb. You can actually put keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. If I go inside of Google and type in air conditioning service Ashburn, VA, this is what you're going to see. You got ads here at the top. Looks like you were running a couple ads I did see as well. But you got these old school ads. These have been really spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. I honestly don't know how well they work. But a lot of people have got ad blockers up too. So I don't know if that's decreased in any of your ads recently. But I'd like to know a little bit more on that for your area too. Anyway, so underneath the ads, we have this little map pack here. Now, really to get the rankings here, you got a bunch of companies really trying to get up in the top. So really to get in this top area really comes down to what's called a citation. So when Google does their algorithms, really what we want to do is go figure out which citations your top competitors have. We want to go out there, maybe do 50 or even 100 times what they have. So that way when Google does their algorithms, they have no reason but to put you in those top rankings right here. Underneath this map area really comes, this is the first page of Google here. And really to get there on that first page comes down to making sure you have your content in place, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. So that way you can actually be found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks actually created equal. Backlinks are kind of like a trust thing as well. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Arefs, Arefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got a decent amount of backlinking done. So you got 173 referring domains, which is pushing back over 1,000 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 5,000 backlinks there. You got 1.7 keywords you're being found for, and then a total of 541 clicks to your website. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it looks like you are running ads once again. I don't know if you're doing any like TV, radio. I know those get pretty costly as well, and kind of breaking down the ROIs between the ads and everything. But coming in and seeing where those 541 clicks are actually coming from. So here's your keywords. This is how your website's being found. This is the position that you have for each keyword and also the amount of traffic for those keywords as well. So going through and seeing these keywords, you got over 500 clicks to your site, but this is what they're clicking for. Knocking pipes, all tech services, pipe knocking. Why do pipes knock? All tech HVAC, kitchen plumber. Hot floors in house, HVAC, Manassas, VA. There's 70 clicks. There's a keyword there. Your 10th position, but you're missing all the traffic. Air conditioning repair, Leesburg, VA. There's 150 clicks. 15th position. So out of the 150 clicks, you're getting only a click there, being the 15th position. So really getting being found for those keywords and also backlinking and driving more traffic, more power to those keywords is kind of crucial there. HVAC Leesburg, VA, there's another 70 clicks a month. Your 12th position, missing all the traffic. HVAC Sterling, VA, 14th position. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is a Walker. Put them inside of Arefs. So here's all their keywords. So they honestly could be doing a lot better with their rankings. Nobody's really, kind of like some people are searched for a few. They got 1 or 2 keywords that they're getting really good at, but then they're all the other ones. But at least this, he has a bunch of keywords that we can actually go after and kind of give you an idea here. Air conditioning Woodbridge, VA. There's 100 clicks a month. They're 5th position. 10 clicks out of the 100. They're getting 10%. 100%. Pretty decent ROI, even being the 5th position there. Air conditioning service, Woodbridge, VA, another 100 clicks there. AC service, Woodbridge, VA, 70 clicks. Air conditioning repair, Woodbridge, VA, 100 clicks a month. HVAC, Woodbridge, VA, another 90 clicks. So really coming in and getting all these keywords that he's ranking for right here, and then also driving enough traffic, enough backlinking, and also making sure you're being found for those keywords will help you bring in that quality business without running all those ads as well. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and I want a free custom game plan to help you get there, feel free to reach back out to me, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be great too. Thanks. Have a good day.